Hi there, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to share with you some investing strategies that can help beginners like yourself get started on the path to financial stability and wealth. If you're someone who wants to achieve financial freedom, then this video is for you. Have you ever wondered why there are so many get-rich-quick schemes out there? It's because many people are looking for a magic solution to their financial problems. But the truth is, there's no magic fairy that's going to make you rich overnight. If you agree, smash that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. Winning a large sum of money might seem like the answer to all your problems, but without the right investment strategies, you could end up losing it all. What you need is a solid, consistent investment plan that will gradually build your wealth over time. Long-term investing can provide great returns. When I was younger, I had big dreams, like wanting to be a race car driver. I didn't have the money to pursue my passion. However, as I started building up my investments, I was able to fulfill my dreams and even win some championships along the way. Investing has given me the freedom to pursue my passions, like making YouTube videos for you all. And just to be clear, I don't currently make any money from this channel, so you can relax knowing that I'm not going to try to sell you anything at the end of this video. There are so many different investment options out there, and it's easy to get distracted by the latest trends. But the key is to stay focused and not get overwhelmed by all the noise. Whether it's Bitcoin, penny stocks, or something else, it's important to stick to a strategy that you understand. You don't need to be an expert at everything, but you do need to be consistent with your investment strategy. Constantly changing your approach can lead to mistakes and ultimately less money in your pocket. I've kept my main investments consistent over the years, and I only invest in things that I fully understand. Now, I'm not claiming to have all the answers, but I'm here to share everything that has helped me build a multi-million-dollar net worth. I'm not a financial advisor, so please keep in mind that this is just what has worked for me. So, let's get started. The first step is to create more disposable income. You need money to invest, and the more money you have, the better. While saving is important, it's also essential to enjoy your life. Instead of focusing solely on cutting expenses, focus on increasing your income. Whether it's learning new skills, starting a side hustle, or even building your own business, there are plenty of ways to increase your income beyond your 9-to-5 job. When I was in my early 20s, I realized that my low-paying job wasn't going to cut it, so I started my journey into the business world. Investing and business go hand in hand. The saying goes, the more you learn, the more you earn, and the more you can invest. But it's important to keep your lifestyle in check. Just because you're earning more doesn't mean you should be spending more. Once you've increased your income and kept your expenses in check, the next step is to pay off any high-interest debt you may have. Whether it's student loans, credit card debt, or payday loans, high-interest debt can hold you back from achieving your financial goals. After paying off your debts, the next step is to create a freedom fund. This emergency fund should cover 3 to 5 months of living expenses and will provide you with financial security in case of unexpected events. Once you've increased your income, paid off your debts, and built up your freedom fund, it's time to start investing. One of the lowest risk options for beginner investors is index funds. An index fund allows you to invest in a diverse range of assets, reducing your risk and maximizing your returns. Index funds are passively managed and have lower fees compared to mutual funds, making them an attractive option for long-term investors. I personally like to use Vanguard index funds for my long-term investments, but there are many other options available as well. Another investment strategy that I've had success with is real estate. While it can be challenging to buy properties with little money, it's definitely something worth saving for. Whether you're interested in capital gains or cash flow, real estate can be a great way to build wealth over time. Individual stocks can be a more risky option, but they also have the potential for higher returns. If you're interested in investing in individual stocks, make sure you do your research and create a diverse portfolio to minimize your risk. Finally, I like to mix buying shares with my own business expertise by investing in private business opportunities. This allows me to leverage my skills and contacts to secure better deals and potentially earn free shares in other companies. If you're interested in learning more about investing and increasing your income, be sure to check out my next video. And don't forget to smash that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.